Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be replacing the GPS in your Panasonic Toughpad CF-H2. First thing you want to do is remove the battery. And now you can flip the unit over. You want to remove all the screws on this bottom plate. There are about 12 that are showing. Now there are a few hidden screws. Now you want to remove the hard drive. There are 4 screws. Two screws where we remove the hard drive. And then 2 screws holding in this door that holds the VGA and Ethernet port. All of them need to be removed. There's 1 screw where the DC port is. One screw where the USB is. You'll be able to lift the bottom plate up. Once you remove the bottom plate, it'll expose the GPS card. It has 3 screws and 1 connector. You just want to remove them all. And you'll be able to replace it. Since this is just an example, I'll put that one right back. And just want to screw it back in and reconnect the connectors. And now you want to put that bottom plate on. You want to make sure all screws are put exactly where they were, including the ones below the hard drive and in the port doors. and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.